Welcome to WorkFusion. Over 10 years, we have earned our place as the automation software provider of choice for regulated industries. Our mission is to change the face of today's workforce by augmenting teams with highly skilled digital workers and free your people to do what humans do best: create and innovate. WorkFusion's digital workers empower enterprises to accomplish more than ever before. First, productivity soars as teams easily expand capacity and gain speed. Careers grow as new roles are invented. Executive champions see their vision rewarded as entirely new centers of excellence emerge. Our secret weapon and the basis for all we do: unparalleled industry expertise. In addition to excellent engineers, visionary product owners, and world-class data scientists, our in-house industry consultants and automation experts know exactly what our customers need because in the not-distant past, they were sitting in that customer's chair. These pedigreed professionals come directly from our target spaces and are intimately familiar with the pain points our customers experience. These embedded experts continuously give voice to our customers' needs and drive our product to fit the market, never vice versa. Our digital workers emerge directly from extensive collaborations with our most valuable customer relationships. That's our customer centricity at work. We're proud that our leadership and vision has been recognized by analysts and industry watchers. As a team, we are motivated every day by the power and promise of AI-led digital workers. And we're looking forward to even greater growth as we continually expand our digital workforce. Come be part of the community that is building the new face of intelligent automation.